Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Shein Klarna split payment feature. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Shein application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Finally, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and add something to your cart. So when you simply go ahead and add something to your cart, let's just say, for example, this little jacket right over here, click on add to cart and click on add to cart one more time. You can simply go ahead and choose your sizes down over here. So let's just say small. Now, when I go to my card and simply go ahead and tap on checkout, it's going to tell me to go ahead and log in. I'm going to simply go ahead and log in with my account real quick. Now, once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your address details. So simply go ahead and enter your address details. And if you scroll all the way down and click on save, it's going to give you payment method where you can simply go ahead and select Klarna. So in Klarna, the first quarter is paid at checkout and the remaining 3 are billed automatically. So you'll get total 4 interest-free. You'll get total 4 interest-free and bi-weekly installments. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.